What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be restyling my dining table finally, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I have had these same table decorations out since New Year's, and I'm just sick of looking at it, so time for a change. I'm doing something else. Also, be on the lookout for a DIY cleaning products video that'll be featuring my homemade wood polish. So the goal for redecorating my table, I wanted it to be not quite as simple as the last style, and I also wanted to bring in more color. I wanted to give it like a springtime vibe. So I added some pine cones to give a nature-esque vibe, and welcome back to some of my unused Christmas candy. And I even busted out what my friend likes to call my Olivia Pope glasses. Yes. I ended up having to do a style number 2 because I thought, I think I want to use the table runner after I had sat there and put everything on that table. Yeah. I also thought while we're at it, we might as well do a little switcheroo because I really didn't like the cake stand in the middle too much. It was okay, but it just didn't do it for me. And then I also had the scavenger hunt around my house for this, I guess, acorn, maybe a leaf-shaped tray. I've had it for a while, but I never really had anything to use it for. So this was like the perfect opportunity. So this is the final look, and I even threw in some place cards. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and stay on the lookout for more home decor videos. Yeah!